Hey everybody, Lance again with Grillbillies BBQ in Wendell, North Carolina. Today I want to talk about something that we really don't talk about very much, and that's a gas grill from Meadow Welding. Meadow is typically charcoal and wood, but this one is a flat top grill. This is a BBQ36 flat top gas grill. As you can see, standard Meadow quality, 13 gauge steel. Looking inside it, you have a 22 by 33 cook space. That's 726 square inches. This is two places where you can put it, up higher and lower. Stainless steel interior, 304 stainless steel, 304 stainless steel burners and burner protectors. As you can see, there's two main burners. They're U burners. You can fit up to 40 hamburgers, 16 to 20 ribeye steaks on it, and this is probably the last gas grill that you will ever buy because of the warranty. The warranty on the stainless steel items are 25 years. As you can see, two burner knob controls here, one here, one here. Another nice component is they have a pull out here so you can clean up very easily. Just pull all the grease or anything that might have fallen through, pull that out, hose it off, put it back in, you're ready for your next cook. Again, this is the Meadow Welding BBQ36G flat top grill. Thanks for watching. Come down and check us out at grillbillies.com and keep on grilling.